Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, very first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have no Bluetooth devices connected. You will notice that actually I do have one connected, and these are those very simple QCY earbuds. Now the problem with Bluetooth devices is that by default they are the ones that are actually going to take your own microphone, and this is because they automatically are rerouting some things. So we want to head into our Bluetooth, and the easiest way to get rid of every single Bluetooth device is to just turn it off. Yeah. And after you have turned it off, you should be able to use your microphone again. But of course that is not everything. We could also go into our voice recorder, and via the voice recorder we should be able to see exactly what is wrong. So we can start some recordings. As you can see, we even have some calls which we could technically record. Let's give it away the permissions and let's start recording something. Now you'll notice that for me at least the microphone is working perfectly fine, and whenever I will talk loudly or the sound waves are actually a little bit different, which I believe is also pretty cool. But of course, if you have troubles with the microphone, I would just advise you to try it out. For example, you can try speaking from the right side, from the left side, from the top, from the bottom, from far away, and you want to basically play a little diagnostic game. You want to make sure that you know what is wrong with microphone. Is it just not loud enough? Is it sometimes wiping you off? Is it, I don't know, farting or something? It is really very, very broad to say that, hey, something is wrong. And yeah, you just want to make sure that you know exactly what is happening with your device. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.